My education at NCC probably started I graduated from high school in '85, enrolled in the accounting program first for a year, and then I transferred to the automotive in '88. The accounting helped me with the business aspect of it, and the mechanic, I grew up in the business, so I kind of learned more hands-on, but at NCC helped me with the technology, newer stuff, vehicles. I mean, it was a good program for me to improve my skills. Every year I try to get an intern. That's been helpful. The internship program at NCC to get the kids involved in the automotive program. I also been on the advisory committee for the automotive program probably for 5 or 6 years now. So that keeps me connected. What's going on in the college, new stuff coming out, technology. Currently I have one student, Corey Jansen. He also is a graduate from NCC. He probably graduated 6 years ago.